So this is the OnePlus 15 fast boot and setup. So if you're trying to set up your OnePlus 15, you can also follow these steps. Okay. So I'm going to turn it on for the first time by long pressing on the power button on the side. There you go. Took about 7 to 8 seconds before I felt a vibration, and then the OnePlus logo, powered by Android. There you go. Smooth to the core. So let's tap on that arrow and then select your language and then hit next, and then select your region. I'm not sure my region is going to be here, but let's see. All right, it's here. So tap on next. Then you have the user agreement and the user privacy protection. So read and then tap on next. And then you can choose whether you want to set up using another device, or you can skip all that. You could transfer your data from an iPhone or from an Android phone, or just set up as a brand new separate device, which I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna tap on skip. Now once you select skip, you're gonna see your available Wi-Fi networks. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to and put in the passcode. And then tap on save. Once you get connected, tap on next. And now it's saying it's getting our phone ready. And then again, we will be prompted to copy apps and data from another phone. Again, I'm going to select don't copy. Then you have the opportunity to sign in with your Google account. You can go ahead and do that, or you can do it later. For me, I'm just going to skip and do that later. And then connect to a mobile network, which basically means set up an eSIM or put in a physical SIM card at the bottom. Again, I'm going to skip that and do that later. And then you have your password. You can use fingerprint, face unlock, or just a password. Again, let's skip that and do it later just to make this video short. And then you have your Google services, which you have to read and then tap on accept. Do you want to join the Red Club? Not now. Skip. So you have recommended services and all that. So read all that and then agree. And then choose your default screen color mode. You have standard and natural. Now I've seen some OnePlus phones also having a vivid color mode. Maybe we'll get that after an update, but for now, let's just tap on next. And then you can choose whether you want to use gestures or buttons, and then tap on done. And we are all set up on the OnePlus 15 Oxygen OS. So let's tap on let's go, and that's it. We are good to go. And that's basically how to set up your OnePlus 15 for the first time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.